Learning how to connect emotionally with a woman, and with people in general, is one of the strongest, most rewarding, and satisfying skills you can learn. It enhances and enriches your relationships, with a chance for you to grow more as a person. Get ready to discover the best way to help you build this vital connection with a woman. If you haven't subscribed yet, do click the subscribe button below. Go check out my website to view the complete article on how to talk to girls and make them like you. Links are available in the description below. So, let's get started. I'm sure you've found yourself asking this question about how to build a connection with a woman. It seems to be wired in our genes that we as men are problem solvers. We like to fix things. Women connect with men and their girlfriends on feelings and emotions. What I've experienced when connecting with women is that women make decisions about men based on how they made them feel. It's almost like the saying, people aren't going to remember what you did for a living, how you make your money, but how you made them feel. It's pretty much the same with women. They want a guy in their life that listens to them, someone they connect with, and someone who makes them feel great about themselves. As humans, we have surface-level conversations and deeper meaningful conversations throughout our day. You don't connect with someone when having surface-level conversations. You connect with someone when they are opening up about something or an experience, and you are too. The same thing goes for women. You're never going to connect with a woman you're trying to date if you aren't moving past those surface-level conversations and digging deeper. A great example I like to bring up, and I've used this myself when on dates with women, is how did that make you feel? A girl is sharing an experience with you, and you could really tell she's opening up about it, and at the end, you just go that sounded cool. In her mind, she's probably saying I just told this guy an experience I felt excited about, and he has nothing to say. She's also probably saying this guy may or may not be a terrible listener. Ask follow-up questions, and repeat back to her what she just told you. This also can be applied when connecting with other people. When you repeat back what the other person is telling you, it tells them in their minds that you are actually listening, and care what they have to say. If you talk about what you're passionate about and enjoy doing, this will give her the space to open up to you as well. Women want to feel safe, and by you doing this she will feel vulnerable and be willing to share more of her with you. Being authentic goes a very long way, and you will attract the woman you want in your life when you live in authenticity. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.